everyone, welcome to Lego Leo. My name is Leo, and today I will be building the sports car from the Lego City, and I will be building the McLAREN ELVA from the Speed Champions collection. Now normally I wouldn't build anything like this, but since I am building a city, these are good pieces to have. And as you can see, I got this one on clearance at Walmart, and you know, when you see Lego pieces on clearance, you're just gonna have to go get them because they are not cheap. So let's not waste any more time, let's get into the build.